Okay, before anybody gets on to me, by the way, welcome back to another video, guys. I'm only just giving y'all a teaser, a reminder. Um, Guys, I'm about to use the Oak Felder effect, and y'all know all the celebrities on GarageBand iOS. They got their own little sound pack and stuff. And recently, on recent beats, I've been using the Take a Day Trip bass. I haven't used Track Girl yet. I will use the Track Girl sound pack at some point. But I want to test out the Oak Felder the Oak Felder sound pack into my beats. Now, the only thing is, I'm gonna play a sample real quick. And listen for the vocals that's in there. I'm pretty sure this isn't the real song. It's just like a sample. So obviously, thank goodness I won't get my other self copyrighted. The only thing is Dua Lipa. I don't want to use that pack because I can easily get copyrighted by using that. Also, the Katy Perry one. We can't use that one. Now there was Lady Gaga on here. Lady Gaga was on here, but then they took her down. But again, I'm gonna play a quick little sample from Oak Felder himself off of his sound pack. If y'all don't know his sound pack, go and watch the full little video at the top of his pack, because I'm pretty sure he produced the song. I think he produced songs from artists like Demi Lovato, K. Michelle, or all the other different artists that's out there. But again, this is his sound. This is Oak Felder sound pack, and Oak Felder. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this, I am using a sound pack in one of my songs. So real quick before I end this out, I'm gonna play a quick little sample of his pack right about now. Cut this mic off first. Oh, by the way, listen for the second song on here, and you'll know the teaser that I'm about to use here in a second. By the way, also, I'm not gonna use that whole instrumentation. I'm not gonna use that instrumentation that's in there, obviously. So, as I'm talking just a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the live loops and the create your own loops grid beat. Wait a minute, actually, you know what? Let's open up that dubstep icon right there. And it's actually gonna sound a little bit similar, because as a matter of fact, I've worked on this before but never posted it on YouTube, and it's the same exact beat that I did twice on this channel. It's basically not that one. No. 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 Nope. Yes. It's gonna be a lot slower too, by the way. But it's the same song, but it's gonna be the vocals. So everybody just stay tuned in this song, okay? Because right now, y'all are about to get an exclusive voice hook in from the Oak Felder sound effect into the exact same songs that they don't hear twice, but a little bit slower, alright? But yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to tell y'all. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell on so you don't miss videos. And yes, your boy is back at the crib, just in case you're hearing TV in the background. So yeah, let's go.